I just wanted to point something else out to you I hadn't realized myself. Hello guys. I thought I'd give you a quick behind the scenes background of the making of Simplicity 8645. Let's find the line drawings. I'm sewing view A. Here are the pattern pieces. This is my material I'm using. And in this piece, I'm not worried about lining up the circles. This is what I have done so far. With the this is the back of the blouse. This is the back facing and front facing that you see going around here. And along the back area I had placed these pins in there, but these are the buttons that goes on the back. And this is a dot. And this is where the boning would go, along this dot, the top portion of this dot, and also on the side seams of this blouse. Again, this is the back. And this is your front. I had to go out. The top is one size and the waist is a larger size, so I had to do some adjustment with the waist. It came out pretty good. I'm satisfied with it. Just have to continue working on the blouse. I think it looks like that blouse or that top. So, what do you think? I'm gonna enjoy wearing this. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. I just wanted to point something else out to you I hadn't realized myself. See this portion of the blouse or the top? That's this. But the pablum is inside her skirt. And I hadn't realized. I said, this just don't look like this top. But it's in the directions and it's included. And only thing I can come up with is that the pablum is inside the skirt. And only this part shows outside. I'm excited about this blouse. Thanks for watching.